just 2-match series. 2 games in 2 days here at Edgbaston, and a changing Edgbaston. Stands are down, the old commentary position is down, changing rooms are down. I mentioned earlier, I turned up this morning, I thought somebody's pinched the stand. So there's one open end there, not a soul in sight. A sign of things to come all around. Cricket grounds are being improved at a rate of knots around the UK. Anyway, we'll get this game going. Oh, he's going to have another go.
And he's going to be bowling to the man who basically bashed him out of the attack yesterday. David Warner's going to be on strike. So interesting decision from Pakistan to start with Shoaib Akhtar. They're obviously backing him in to fight back after yesterday's caning. So we'll see how we go. He may have put his hand up and said, right, give me that new ball. I want to have another go.
He was hit for 8 fours in his 2 overs yesterday. That's David Warner's stats. Look at that strike rate. He's not coming for singles. Shoaib will be around the wicket. He's got a slip in position.
Right around.
Last time I saw him ball in the UK was at Worcester, New Road Worcester. He ran miles. Well, he's going to come in a fair distance here. Look, he's way outside the 30-yard circle. See, it's a 40-yard run-up. Look at this. I'll be wanting a brew halfway down here. He's got to be careful that he doesn't cut that return crease with his right foot there. He just misses. He's just all right. On target, 89 miles an hour.
He's just inside, isn't he? Centimetre perfect. He had a bit of a glare, or maybe even a bit of a word to...
If you're fractionally wide at that pace, just needs a touch on it. This is good, 92 miles an hour. I just mentioned they're Australian. You sense it sometimes, Australia spoiling for a scrap. They're 1 down, and they want to get into Shoaib Akhtar.
He might need Michael Clarke, bit of a confrontation with the bowler just to really get him going, get the adrenaline firing up.
Quick, real pace from Akhtar. 11 from the first over, and the stare. Oh, they're going.
That's the Akhtar of old.
Ball of full length. Here's Shoaib. Well, there's been a field change. Michael Clarke is looking to go through the offside. The response from Afridi. The 2 outfielders are at third man, are at deep point. See the deep point, extreme left of picture there. High in the air, Tim Payne, fielder at mid-off, going to get this, good catch! Umar goal at mid-off. Shoaib at last gets a wicket.
Yeah, you see Afridi, the elation there to see one of his star bowlers finally get another international wicket. And it's Tim Payne on this occasion. There's Shoaib right in the middle of the huddle. Is he back? I must admit, it's been a big improvement on what we saw yesterday. And Tim Payne looking to hook it away on the leg side. Just off the toe of the bat, really. Fairly simple catch for Umar Gul. Shoaib. And Afridi gets the big hug. High fives all round. So Tim Payne marches off. 22 for 2.
James Holmes is the new batsman. Australia, well, maybe experimenting with this batting lineup. Again, just an average in the teens, but a strike rate of 107, a best of 18 in at number 4. Slower ball. There's a saving fielder out there, just on that offside boundary.
Well, it's all smiles now. Shoaib's got his wicket. Here it is again. It was always going to be out. Once you saw it go in the air, just not enough bat on it from Tim Payne. Margul just backing back. Not going to drop those at this level.
Beauty from Akhtar. 3 overs have been bowled, 23 for 2. The specialist batsman in. Correction from me, it still is Shoaib Akhtar. Well, he's loose now, 95 miles an hour. He starts his 3rd over, much better than yesterday.
I think Amir wasn't expecting Michael Clarke to turn the way.
Slowly. Brilliant fielding. That'll be the captain. He's coming to the bowler. Umar Gul just looks at this cricket ball. Starman yesterday with the ball, Umar Gul. 3 overs, 2 for 13 yesterday. Just look at the length.
About middle and leg stump.
It's all the beauty. Pakistan are all over Australia. Terrific encouragement for Shoaib Akhtar. Like a home game for Pakistan with a crowd that's in.
Well, there's no peace for the bowler with Shoaib Afridi, the skipper, is there? Every delivery, when the bowler's walking back to his mark, there's Afridi in their ear. That's his style.
Terrific bowling. 95 miles an hour.
Well, just in his run up there, Shoaib Akhtar, there he is. I think that may have been started by Jason Gillespie. We used to call it the Condor. That's good carry. Good bounce.
Condor moment. Crowd responds again. Slowly, single, ends the 5th over. It's 36 for 3. So Shoaib Akhtar, 3 overs, 1 for 20. Let's just have a look where he's been bowling. Boundaries are the real short balls. but his line has been good. White ball there, just short of a good length, is the wicket delivery. He'll be all right now, surely.